Hey everyone, I'm Drew Manning from Fit2Fat2Fit, and many of you might have heard of my crazy Fit2Fat2Fit experiment, which I did back in 2011. The story went viral. I was a personal trainer who intentionally gained weight and then lost the weight, learned a lot of valuable lessons, went on a bunch of TV shows like Dr. Oz, Good Morning America, and even had my own TV show called Fit2Fat2Fit on A&E and Lifetime. And today, I'm here to show you some of my favorite keto coffee recipes that you're gonna absolutely love. And I've partnered with my good friends at BlendJet, which is my new favorite product, by the way, to help show you how to make these delicious recipes. So I love BlendJet because it's portable, it holds 16 ounces of liquid and has measuring marks on the bottle. It has a lock mode as well, so you can throw it in your bag and not worry about it going off. Plus, it's super easy to clean. All you do is just add water, soap, and you blend it. So the first recipe we're making is a fat coffee. Now the ingredients we're gonna use in this is some MCT oil powder from Complete Wellness and also our grass-fed collagen. Now the grass-fed collagen is great because it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it, which actually helps boost your own endogenous collagen on top of the exogenous collagen from the grass-fed cows that we're using. And then the MCT oil is a healthy fat, stands for medium chain triglycerides, and this helps to boost your body's own production of ketones. And so by adding the healthy fat plus the healthy protein, the collagen protein, to the coffee, it's a great way to start your day. You're absolutely gonna love this recipe. So the first ingredient, you're gonna need 10 ounces of iced coffee. Next up, 1 scoop of MCT oil powder. You can use vanilla or any other flavor of your choice. And 1 scoop of grass-fed collagen. Blend all the ingredients using one blend cycle and pour over ice or enjoy straight out of the BlendJet. So the next recipe is a protein coffee recipe that is so simple. All you need is 2 ingredients, coffee plus protein. So we're gonna use the Whey Protein Isolate from Complete Wellness. You can use different flavors. There's vanilla, chocolate, peanut butter cup is actually my favorite. And so we're gonna add that to the blender. You're gonna blend it up, super simple, and then enjoy it. You're gonna need 10 ounces of iced coffee, and you're gonna need 1 scoop of whey protein. Blend for 1 cycle and enjoy. All right, the next recipe is a keto caramel Frappuccino. You're gonna love this recipe. It's so delicious and it's keto friendly, which means it's low in sugar. So you're gonna need coffee, of course, but then we're also using Complete Wellness Keto Meal, which includes grass-fed collagen, MCT oil powder, and coconut oil powder. And we use stevia to sweeten it instead of artificial sweeteners. It tastes amazing. So let's get to it. So you're gonna need 10 ounces of iced coffee, ice to desire, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 1 scoop of salted caramel keto meal. Blend all the ingredients for 1 cycle and enjoy. There you go, you guys. Let me know what you think of these delicious keto coffee recipes in the comments below, and we'll see you around next time.